What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, man. Tik. Know been gone for a minute. I know y'all probably worried about. Well, yeah, some of y'all been asking me, man, like, what's going on with the Cutlass and everything. When you gonna bring the Cutlass out, all that. But this is what's been going on with it. That's what I've been doing. I'm going back with the Quadrajet. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Got the new accelerator pump and everything. It ain't that clean. That's that all that solvent stuff. I probably need to blow that off. That's what I've been doing so far, man. Got a rebuild kit for it. Yeah, so far I got the power piston in. Got the power piston in, accelerator pump string, a little cup thing, and got the float in there and everything with the needle and seat. So next, let me see what we're gonna do next. We're putting that next. Well, I'm trying to go and knock this out, man. Slap it on the cut dog. See what we got. So yeah, gonna put the gasket on. Yeah. That's the right gasket and everything. We're gonna flip that over. So you get that power piston in there. Yeah, you're gonna put that on. Then we're gonna put the accelerator pump on, man. Yeah. I'm just doing the recording right now, man. Just showing. I'm finna go on, probably cut the camera off, man. Go and get this shit done and get it done, man. And we just gonna put it on there, man, and see the results. That's what we're gonna do. We ain't really gonna try to make this a long video of everything. We trying to see results. We finna go on. You know what I'm saying? They got plenty of videos on it, but you order the kit to come with the instructions. But anyway, yeah. So that's what we finna do, man. We finna go on, get into that, and check back with results and the outcome of everything. Man, holla at y'all then. So see y'all then. We're gonna be firing it up probably when it's back together. So we got the air horn back on. Finally, I did two customer cars today, so that's why I ain't really had time. But we tighten up down the air horn now, and after that I'm gonna put the that thing, I forgot the name of it. Just that quick. We gonna put it on, and then that's gonna be it. And it'll probably be tomorrow when we try it out, test out, see the moment of truth. So the YouTube is the next day. Got everything on there. Got the air horn secured, all the screws in it. Got the filter and the fuel inlet in. Got that vacuum piece on, and also it's as you can see, it's a hot air choke, and we switched it to electric. Put that electric thing in there, got it dialed in. It's doing that. It wasn't even doing that at first. That's what it's supposed to do. But yeah. So yeah, man, we're trying to button some more stuff up, and then we gonna go and slap it on there, put a new gasket on the bottom. Alright, man, so we got it mounted on there. Got it mounted up, got the fuel inlet installed, got the electric choke on there. We're gonna block that port right there. Probably put a little bolt in it or something, block it off so we won't get a vacuum leak. Then we'll go get a cap and everything later. We'll probably get one a day at the parts store, see if they got one. Okay, so yeah, we finna finish putting that on. Gonna put that hose back there on, hook the electric choke wire up and everything, And we're gonna fill them bowls up, hook that fuel line up, fill them bowls up, and see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. Moment of truth. Fingers crossed. Go, guys. Got everything back on and everything. Moment of truth. From the fire up. Cut dog. Yeah, man, we got everything back on and everything. We're finna fire it up. Had to put me some transmission fluid in there. Now we're finna check the oil. Yeah, we'll probably just go fire it up, bag it up, and clean it up like, man, this shit been clean, man. Look, I got all that shit back there. So, check the oil, even though I know the shit, it ain't level. But yeah. Bring y'all right back, man. I'm check this oil and then we're gonna fire it up. Alright. Fire it up. Should do. Still check that choke. Make a carburetor. Built that cord. And these adjusters probably still just need to warm up, but let's check on that choke. Yeah, that choke look like it's working. It's opening on up, but it ain't quite warmed up yet. But man, yeah, that's probably gonna be in this video. I'm gonna probably tweak with it, whatever, crank it up and everything, and clean it, wash it, and vacuum it and everything. But, yeah, it's man, took a little bit more tweaking there, man. Yeah, we should be good, man. Plan is happy rolling for Thanksgiving, so we should make it, man. This boy Tez, take out, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, just stay on board with me, man, and stay on the journey with me. That's it, man. It's your boy Tez Tech.